everyone. In this video, we are just going to do one problem for finding the principal disjunctive normal form for a particular formula. Here, the question given is obtain principal disjunctive normal form for P and Q, or negate P and or Q and R. You just consider this formula. What are all the variables involved in this formula? We are having the three variables. One is P and next one is Q and next one is R. We just consider each term. In each term we are just having only two variables. Either in this term we are just having P and Q only. R is not all included here. Here we are having P and R, no Q's here, and here Q and R are available, but there is no P here. So what I am just going to do it here is, in order to trace the equivalent formula for this formula in terms of only min terms, I am just going to include the missing terms in each of the terms, missing variables, I am sorry. I am just going to include the missing variables in each term. For example, we can take the first term P and Q. We can take this term here. You just consider here we are having P and Q, but there is no R. So how can we rewrite this one? Means we can write it as P and Q and R or negate R. So we can rewrite as P and Q and R as one term, and then this one, right? So R, P and Q and negate R. And next, for this term we can write like negate P and R equal to negate P and R. Here the variable missing here is Q. So we can write Q or negate Q. Whatever the variables is missing, for such variable we have to include both the variable and its negate, right? So here I can write like negate P and R and Q, and then R, negate P and negate Q and R. And for this term we can write Q and here the variables Q and R is present, but P is not all available, hence we have to include that one. So here we can write P R negate P and Q and R. So we can write as P R, we can write it as P and Q and R negate P and Q and R. So now you just consider, you have to substitute these terms here. So when we are substituting in this formula, instead of P and Q we have to substitute this one. In such a way we will get P and Q and R, P and Q and negate R. And this or the operation, instead of this formula we have to substitute this one. So negate P and Q and R, or negate P and negate Q and R. And then here we are having the or operator. Instead of this one we have to substitute this one. So we can write it as P and Q and R. Next, negate P and Q and R. So we can remove the duplicated terms. For example, here we are having P and Q and R. Here also we are having P and Q and R. So simply instead of writing this term for twice, simply we can write it for just only once. So in such a cases we will have P and Q and R. Negate P and Q and or P and Q and negate R. We can write it negate P and negate Q and R. So this is the equivalent formula which has been obtained from this one. Okay. So when you are looking into this equivalent formula, you just consider here each term is of the term min terms only. So what's the definition that we have seen in the earlier video itself? For any given for a given formula, an equivalent formula consisting of a disjunctions of a min terms only is known as its principal disjunctive normal forms. Such a normal form is also called sum of products canonical forms. You just consider this equivalent formula. It's also in terms of the min terms. It consisting of the disjunctions of the min terms. And when you are looking into this one, it's consisting of the sum of the products. That's why you can conclude this as the principal disjunctive normal form for this formula. I hope that you have understand these concepts clearly. In case if you are having any doubts, kindly post your queries. Thank you.